taker. In last classes, already we have discussed about this. Okay, the five kingdoms are first one Monera, next Protista, fungi, plantae, animalia. These are the five kingdoms. Okay. In last class, we have discussed about first kingdom, that is Monera. What are the characteristic features of organisms present in kingdom Monera? Okay, Monerans are unicellular prokaryotic organisms. Next, and other different characters are there. Okay, unicellular organism, Monera. What? Unicellular prokaryotic reproduction by splitting into two, means binary fission like process. Locomotion is because of different locomotory structure like flagella, cilia, and other hair-like structure. Okay. Next, nutrition just by absorption from the outside. There are no any special respiratory, the digestive system and a complex process are absent in Monera. Example, bacterium, what? Bacterium, cyanobacteria. Means blue-green algae. Blue-green algae. These are the examples for the Monerans. Next, already we discussed Monera kingdom. It is divided into again three groups. First one, Archaebacterium. Archaebacterium. Next, second one, Eubacteria. Next, third one. Next, third one, Cyanobacteria. These are important three divisions of the kingdom Monera. Kingdom Monera. Yeah. Archaebacteria means ancient bacteria. It is actually ancient bacteria. Till date, they are present. Okay, what? Ancient bacteria, Archaebacteria. For example, Mycoplasma. Mycoplasma-like. Next, Eubacteria. Next, Eubacteria. These are actually true bacteria. These are also called as true bacteria. Okay, observe carefully. Example for this Eubacteria are Escherichia coli, Salmonella typhimurium, Clostridium botulinum, Rhizobium leguminosarum, Rhizobium leguminosarum. Like this, number of bacteria are there. Next, cyanobacteria. These are bacteria-like structures. Externally, these are appear as algae. Internally, cyanobacteria structurally, internal structure is closely related to the bacteria. Okay, example for cyanobacteria. Examples are Nostoc, Anabina. Nostoc and Anabina. Okay, these are three important divisions of the Monera kingdom. Observe. Okay. Next. Next, second kingdom, that is kingdom Protista. Kingdom Protista. Observe carefully. Observe carefully. Protista. What are the characteristic features of Protista? Important characteristic features are unicellular, eukaryotic, unicellular, eukaryotic organism. Unicellular eukaryotic organism were placed in Protista. Were placed in Protista. Already we discussed unicellular means single cellular. Single cellular body is present. Eukaryotic means nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is present around the genetic material. Nuclear membrane is present around the genetic material. This is another important characteristic feature of the Protista. Protista is also called as Protoctista. Protoctista. Okay, this is another important one. Next, they get the energy from the other organism. They get the energy. They get the energy by killing the other organism. By killing the other organism. Next, some Protista other organisms means these are usually heterotroph. These are usually heterotroph. You know very well that heterotroph. Heterotrophs means what are heterotrophs? Organisms which are dependent on the other organisms for food material, they are called heterotroph. Here, organisms of protista are heterotroph. Next, they get the energy from the other organism and they get nutrients from water. Some organisms are protista. Okay, organisms of protista get the nutrients from water. Okay. Next, other characteristic features are they live solitarily. They live either solitary or colonial. Protistants live either solitary or colonial or colony. Solitarily means alone. Colonial or colony means different groups. A colony means group of organisms. Group of organisms. Natural reproduction is reproduction. Because of splitting into two. Because of splitting into splitting into two or more. Okay, actually binary fission. Binary fission like this. Okay, observe one. Observe kingdom protista, unicellular eukaryotic organism were placed in the kingdom protista by R. H. Whittaker. By R. H. Whittaker. You know very well that unicellular organism means already I told you single cell organism. Only one cell is present in their body organization. How many cells? Only one cell is present. Next, nuclear membrane is present around the genetic material. That is why if nuclear membrane is present around the genetic material, those cells are called eukaryotic cells. Organism which have the cells with nuclear membrane around the genetic material, they are called usually eukaryotic organism. Okay. Next, protista is also called as protoctista. What? Protoctista. Okay. Next, they get the energy by killing the other organism. Okay. They get the energy by killing the other organism. Next, these are heterotroph. Actually, these are heterotrophic organisms. Protistans are heterotrophic organisms. Next, some organisms of protista get the nutrients from water. Means dissolved nutrients from the water. What? Dissolved nutrients from water. Next, solitary. Protista organisms are either solitary or colony. Next, reproduction splitting into the two. Okay, just splitting into two. Next, binary fission. Okay, what? Here splitting into two means binary fission process. Observe one. Okay. Next, what are the examples for the protista? What are the examples? Amoeba. Next, amoeba here. Next, paramecium. Some algae like chlamydomonas like. Okay. Euglena. What? Euglena. These are examples for the protista. For example, observe this is here amoeba. Nucleus is present. Observe carefully. Defined nucleus or organized nucleus is present. That is why amoeba is eukaryotic organism. Eukaryotic organism. Yes. Next, also here locomotory organs are also present. What are the locomotory organs in amoeba? These are locomotory organs. These are called false feet. False feet. Observe carefully. Feet-like structure. Pseudopodia. What? Observe. Next, some cell organelles are present. Some cell organelles are present. Actually, in Monera organism, in Monera, cell organelles are absent. In Moneran, cell organelles are absent. But in Protista organisms or Protistans, some cell organelles are present. This is another important one. Okay, yes, this is about the Protista. This is about Protista. Next, third kingdom. Third kingdom. Third kingdom, fungi. Okay, what are the characteristic features of fungi? These are multicellular or unicellular, maximum multicellular organism. Only some are unicellular. Multicellular organism. These are multicellular organism. Next, observe carefully. These are multicellular organism. Next, these are eukaryotic. Eukaryotic organism. What are multicellular organisms? If body is made up of more than one cell, then it is called multicellular organism. Okay, eukaryotic organisms means nuclear membrane is present around the nucleus. These are saprophytes. These are usually saprophytes. What are saprophytes? Saprophytes means they first digest the biological organic materials outside of their body in environment. After absorption, they absorb. After digestion, they absorb the nutrients into their body. Okay, this type of digestion is called saprophytic. This type of nutrition, saprophytic nutrition. These are saprophytes. Next, another important, these are heterotrophic plants. Heterotrophic plants. These are heterotrophic plants. This is important one. Remember. What? Heterotrophic plants. Not non-green plants. They are also called as non-green plants. Next, reproduction process occurs. Reproduction process. Reproduction occurs by the spore. Very important structure. Spore. Okay. Important one is the spore. Spores are produced inside of the sporangium. Inside of the sporangium. Okay, inside of the sporangium. Next, examples: yeast, rhizophora, muca, and other different aspergillus, penicillia. Like this, there are different types of fungi. Here, yeast is very important one because it is unicellular, very important. Unicellular fungi. Yeast is the unicellular fungi. Understanding? Unicellular fungi. Observe one. Okay. Observe carefully. Saprophytic nutrition में first they digest material, outside of their body, outside of their body. Then they absorb the material, means digested material from the outside. This is about the kingdom fungi. This is about kingdom